What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Wi-Fi missing from settings or it is not showing here and how we can fix this. Even if you go to the settings, for some users the Wi-Fi was not showing here, but for some users when they go over here to the Wi-Fi, for example network and internet, this particular option is completely not visible and it is invisible. Then if that is the case, if you're freezing, then you're in the right video and I'm going to show you how we can fix this up. So let's try one by one. So the first one is all about you have to go over here, search for the control panel, and you have to click on the control panel. And right now navigate to the internet options. And now from here navigate to the advanced. And as you can see, you have to click on restore advanced settings. This is the first step. After this, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. If that is not working, you don't have to worry. We have to move to the next one. That is all about we have to go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings, navigate to the network and internet, and from here go to advanced network settings, and from here you have to navigate to network reset and do a reset now. So your PC will be restarted back. Then afterwards you have to connect back to Wi-Fi and you should be doing the password. But even though this particular step that resetting the network did work for most of the users, so you can try this out. After trying out the network reset, if you're having the trouble, then we just need to move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the services. Well, you have to click on the services. And right now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to W. Now this is the W. Now from here, you have to first go to the W LAN auto config, select this one and go to the properties. Make sure this is automatic, startup tab is automatic, and make sure if it is not automatic, you have to set into automatic and make sure the service status is running. If it is stopped, you have to make sure it is start and running and go for OK, and you have to check. Then if it is already up and running, you have to right click on this one, go for the restart. While you're doing the restart, as you can see, the Wi-Fi will be disabled, and once the restart is successfully done and you're fine up and running, it will be coming back over here. And right now we need to move to another one, that is WW and auto config. This is also very important, so right click and go to the properties. Make sure the startup tab has been set into automatic and also the service status is running, and go for OK. If it is stopped, you have to start it, and also similarly you have to do the same, just go over here, restart, and you have to check. That might work in some cases. If not, you have to go over here, search for the control panel. Then you have to directly navigate to the control panel and go to the network and sharing center, go to change adapter settings, and from here you have to select your Wi-Fi, and if it is already enabled, try disabling it. Then you have to enable it back and you have to check. If it is already disabled, then you have to enable it back. For some reasons this can be disabled, which is causing these kind of issue. So make sure that it is enabled, and if it is enabled, you have to close this and go over here, which is the next step. That is all about we need to make few changes in the device manager over here. So just go over here, search for the device manager. Now from here you have to navigate to the network adapters, and you have to find the network adapters, and you have to find the adapter over here. And right now what we need to do is just right click on this one, go to the update driver, go to Bruce My Track, and let me pick, and you have to select the first one here, that is Realtek. In my case it is RTL 8192E wireless LAN. You have to select this and go for the next. And after the update is successfully done, you have to check, and still if it's not working, you have to right click on this one and go to the properties, and from here just go to the power management, and if you put a check on this one, you have to uncheck this, then go for OK, then you have to check. Last and the least step is all about you have to close everything. You have to go over here, search for the run command, press enter. Now type msconfig over here and go for OK, and once it pop up, you have to set into the startup selection should be normal. Then you have to go to the services and make sure that you disable all, go to hide all Microsoft services, go for enable all, apply, and go for OK. Now it might ask you for restart, just do the restart. After the restart is done, you have to launch the game, launch it, and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.